Now let's start wiring training to confirm the operation of sequence control which we have learned. Please prepare the wiring training demo unit. The wiring training demo unit has a power supply, push button, blue light, red light, and relay, just like the electrical schematic diagram. None of the devices are wired, so we will have to do the wiring now using the wires and the screwdriver provided in the kit. Make sure you do not connect the power supply cable before you finish wiring and checking. Working with live wires is very dangerous. First, confirm that the power is off, then start wiring from number 1. Wire can be picked out by number and color. Wire number 4 and number 5 at the DC power supply connect to the same terminal. Finally, double check that the wiring is correct. Now, turn on the power and confirm the operation. When you turn the switch on, electricity runs through the normally closed contact and the blue light turns on. If you press the push button, electricity runs through the coil of the relay and the normally open contact is actuated. Then the red light turns on and the blue light turns off. When you release the button, the relay will disengage and the blue light will turn on again. Did you succeed?